Good afternoon, everyone. I know I'm the one standing between you and lunch, but can we try this once again? Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much. Uh, okay, as was mentioned, I'm part of Amazon Global Selling, and I'm sure everyone here must have heard about Amazon. But can we have a raise of hands? How many of you have heard about Amazon Global Selling? Anyone? Okay, I can see few raised hands here. So I do have some role here in terms of explaining what global selling and Amazon is doing over there. So basically, if you are a seller from India and you're selling in any of the international marketplaces, say USA, UK, etc., you become an e-commerce exporter and you become a global seller for Amazon. So why is e-commerce export such a huge opportunity? So in this slide, as you can see, the current merchandise exports from India stands at about $440 billion, and the Indian government has taken an aim to take it to $1 trillion by 2030. And in that $1 trillion, around 200 to $300 billion is going to come from e-commerce exports. So it's a huge opportunity and a wave that you're going to see in the next 4 to 5 years, which we should seize. All right, so what is kind of triggering this growth? So the largest growth drivers for e-commerce exports and e-commerce in general is the rise of the digital shoppers. I think we've been discussing throughout the day in terms of online shopping that's happening, and I think everyone in this room would be shopping online. But at a worldwide level, we have about 2.7 billion shoppers, and we also see a lot of demand from those shoppers for made in India products, and that is why the global selling is on a growth path. We have also seen a lot of initiatives from the government in terms of the foreign trade policy to propel this growth. So what has Amazon Global Selling been doing for so far? So we launched in 2015. So we've been in India since 2015, and in all of these years, we have launched about 1.5 lakh sellers. And from across India, so we have sellers selling with us from 28 states and 200 plus cities. And what have these sellers done? In cumulative exports, we have done $13 billion. So that's like 1.1 lakh crore rupees. That's the cumulative exports that we have done through Amazon so far, and we have taken a pledge to take that to 80 billion by 2030. So initially Amazon had a pledge to hit 20 billion by 2025, but looking at the potential that is there and the demand for made in India products, we have taken that to 80 billion, and we hope a lot more sellers will be part of that growth journey. Okay. So which are the top states from which you are seeing these exports? That's what you see on the slide over here. So it's Maharashtra, Gujarat, Delhi, Karnataka, Rajasthan. These are some of the top states from which we are seeing these exports. And we also get a question of what are some of the top product categories that sell worldwide. So you have apparel, home, beauty, toys, health, and personal care. And the number that you see next to it, that is the growth rate for these sectors, and you can see that all of them are growing at over 20% plus. And within these categories, what are the kind of products that work globally? You have t-shirts, automobile seat covers, dresses, blankets, bed sheets. So basically from India, a lot of cotton products work well. There are a lot of toys that work, area rugs, etc. So these are some of the products that work well globally. And when we say Amazon global marketplaces, which are some of these marketplaces? You have US, UK, Canada, Germany, a lot of the European marketplaces, as well as we have a lot of emerging marketplaces, which is UAE, Australia, Saudi Arabia, and Singapore. Now coming specifically to Karnataka, one of the good stories is that, already we have more than 5,000 sellers selling on Amazon Global Sales, and mostly they are present in US, Canada, and Mexico. Some of the top selling products from Karnataka are in the home, toys, HPC categories. So what does Amazon Global Selling provide you? Because we have presence in over 18 plus global marketplaces that we spoke to you about. So it is an opportunity for you to kind of now start earning in dollars and yen and pound and euro, because you have access to hundreds of millions of customers worldwide. So what does Amazon do? So does it feel like everything the seller themselves have to do? So the role that Amazon plays is to kind of enable your growth in every step. One of the biggest questions we keep hearing from a lot of our sellers is that what are the kind of products that sell globally? And that's where Amazon will help you with product insights in terms of what kind of products will sell globally. Another very top question is, multiple countries have different compliance requirements. So we have a product which we call the Export Navigator, which is a guidance on all export compliance for all the countries that we are present in. Logistics is another key challenge. Amazon product called Send will kind of provide hassle-free global shipping for all the sellers. We also have a large partner network of service providers, more than 750 trusted third-party providers, who will be able to guide you on every step of your export journey. And lastly, there are multiple other tools and products that we have available to kind of help you build your brand globally. Lastly, I just want to leave you with some glimpses of some of the products that have worked well from India. That includes pet care products. You have spoofs and stools. You have incense sticks, dietary supplements, toys, and even kajal. These are some of the products that have done really well. And that kind of brings me to the end of our presentation. I just want to leave you with the thought that your largest growth opportunity might be one click away. So if Amazon global selling as a concept resonates with you, I would encourage all of you to probably, scan this code, go to our link, and start your journey as a seller today. Or we also have a booth outside. So please walk up to our team and we'll be happy to answer any questions that you may have. Thank you so much for your attention. Thank you, everyone.